How to make a playlist on Spotify. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can make a playlist on Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to basically make a playlist on Spotify, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Spotify application here. Then just tap on the Your Library option from the bottom right of the screen here. Now once you come to Your Library, these are the interface you're gonna see. Tap on the plus button from the top right hand side. Then here you'll find the option called playlist. You can simply tap on the little playlist option and simply give your playlist a certain name depending upon what is it you'd like to name it. Tap the create option and your playlist will get successfully created. After you create your playlist, obviously the only thing you can do is just add songs to it. So go ahead and add songs to your playlist if you want to, and you should be able to play them over there. This way you should be able to add songs or maybe create a playlist. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.